Welcome back, fellow travelers, on the path of conscious cultivation. In our last episode, we explored the garden as a blueprint of creation. We transformed compost into a nutrient-dense vortex, aligning microbial energy with the geometry of the universe. Today, we deepen our journey, moving beyond the physical structure to perceive the unseen energies that truly animate our living sanctuaries. The universe speaks in patterns, in sacred geometries that are the very language of creation. From the delicate fractal of a snowflake to the majestic spiral of a sunflower, these forms are not merely aesthetic. They are energetic blueprints. When we consciously integrate these geometries into our garden design, we are not just arranging plants. We are tuning into a universal resonance. We are inviting a higher vibrational energy to flow through our space. Consider the Visaika Pisces, the flower of life, or the seed of life. These ancient symbols represent the fundamental building blocks of existence. How might these patterns manifest in your garden beds, in the arrangement of your stones, or even in the flow of your water features? By understanding and applying these principles, we create a garden that is not only beautiful, but also energetically potent. A true reflection of cosmic harmony. Every plant, too, holds a unique energetic signature, a spiritual essence that goes beyond its botanical classification. Rosemary, as we discussed, offers clarity and memory. But what of lavender, with its calming embrace, or chamomile, a gentle balm for the soul? Each herb, each flower, each tree is a living library of wisdom, offering specific gifts to those who learn to listen. When we choose plants for our garden, we can move beyond mere aesthetics or culinary use. We can ask, what energy does this plant bring? What spiritual quality does it embody? By cultivating a diverse array of plants with conscious intention, we weave a tapestry of energies that supports not only our physical well-being, but also our emotional and spiritual growth. This brings us to the heart of mindful cultivation, the gardener's intention. Your thoughts, your emotions, your presence, these are powerful forces. They shape the energetic field of your garden. When you approach your plants with love, gratitude, and respect, you infuse them with a vital life force. Imagine tending to your garden not as a chore, but as a meditation, a sacred dance between human and nature. Every touch, every breath, every moment of quiet observation becomes an act of co-creation. This mindful presence amplifies the garden's natural healing properties, creating a space where both plants and people can flourish. The garden is a profound teacher of cycles, the eternal dance of life, death, and rebirth. The compost pile itself is a testament to this, transforming decay into fertile ground for new beginnings. In our spiritual journey, we too experience cycles of growth and release. The garden offers a gentle mirror, reminding us that endings are merely preludes to new forms of life. Observing the seasons, the ebb and flow of growth, the quiet dormancy of winter, we learn patience, resilience, and the profound wisdom of letting go. This cyclical understanding deepens our connection to the earth and to our own inner rhythms. As our living sanctuary expands, so too does our responsibility to foster biodiversity. A truly thriving garden is not just for us. It is a haven for pollinators, beneficial insects, birds, and small creatures. By creating diverse habitats, providing water sources, and avoiding harmful chemicals, we extend our conscious cultivation to the wider ecosystem. This act of generosity enriches the garden's energetic field, creating a vibrant web of life where every being plays a vital role. The more life we invite, the more life the garden reflects, becoming a microcosm of the interconnectedness of all existence. So, as you step into your garden today, remember that you are not just a gardener. You are a guardian, a co-creator, a conduit for universal energy. Embrace the wisdom of sacred geometry in your design. Honor the unique spiritual gifts of each plant and cultivate your space with mindful intention. Let your garden be a living testament to the boundless creation within and around you, a source of endless inspiration, profound connection, and a thriving spirit. May your journey continue to unfold with beauty and grace